everyone, this is Stephanie of Creatively Miss Me, and today I'm participating in a collaboration. This collaboration is entitled Refresh a Beverage Station Fall 2018. It is hosted by three YouTubers, Beatrice at Bun Bay, Joan at Joan Brodie, and Tammy at Tammy Roberts. Now their rules are pretty simple. They ask you to refresh a beverage station anywhere in your home and add a fall item to it and share it with us. I'll also include a link for the participants and Beatrice, Joan, and Tammy's channels down below. So if you're interested in this type of video, stick around, guys. Now, let's get started. We're going to start with the bottom shelf. I'm adding a fall placemat to give it the fall look. Then I will add clear glass pitcher. You know that's my favorite one. Next, I added the copper baskets that I picked up at the Target dollar spot. It looks like a half a pumpkin. Inside, I placed some leaves, or you may call it foliage, that I picked up from the Dollar Tree. I added glasses that I picked up from Pier 1. Very cute glasses. They say grateful, blessed, thankful, gather. I think they're really, really cute, guys. I put the 2 wine stoppers from wine bottles, and to give it a little bit more festive, I added 2 pixie sticks, pumpkins, that I picked up from the Dollar Tree. In the front, I added a small container with pumpkin stirrer sticks in from the Target dollar spot. Next to that, I placed a stack of leaf dishes from a Goodwill haul years ago. That's a really good view of the bottom shelf, guys. Now on to the top shelf. Like the lower shelf, I added 2 placemats on the upper shelf to give it the fall look. The first thing I added was a small tray or a cake plate, and I placed my favorite glasses, some stemless copperware. Next, on the right, you see a copper pitcher with a brass handle. And in front of that, you will see my Goodwill find, which is a pineapple, the copper pineapple. It's there because it's hiding the batteries from the light string from the Target dollar spot. In the very front, I placed a yellow leaf dish and I sat my copper container that holds my porcelain coasters. On the opposite side, I have a decanter that's copper and glass. I love this. I found this years ago, I think, from a still thrift store. I know you guys have seen this before. 2 or maybe 3 of my YouTube sisters, I think, have this. Kimberly Davis at Diva Designing on a Dime has a copper one. And Wani of Wani's House has a silver one. And if I'm not mistaken, Elle of Easy Living with Elle has a silver one. Then in front of that, I placed Now in front of that, I placed an eBay purchase. There are some small copper glasses with a small copper cup, with a glass insert. And on the front of the card, I placed a string of lights I picked up from the Target dollar spot. Now, if you look here, you'll see some towels that I purchased from the Target dollar spot, and they're the pumpkin pie spice recipe. I thought that was really cute. The towels are very pretty, and they remind me of my grandmother's dish towels when I was a little girl. Now let me step back so I can give you an overview of the cart. Well guys, this is the end of my video. Excuse the shakiness of my hand. If you like my video, please give me a thumbs up. and leave me a comment. I love reading and answering them. And if you're not a member already of the Creatively Miss Me family, please do so by clicking that subscribe button you see down below. Next to it, you see a bell. Click that bell twice, and that bell will notify you every time I upload a video. And also follow me on my other social media accounts. They will be listed in the bio below. And as always, this is Stephanie of Creatively Miss Me saying thank you for watching. And you guys be blessed.